Hello, good morning. First of all, we'd like to thank to Organizo for inviting us to his workshop. We are Cesar, Luis, and me, Jimena. We are from Bariloche, Argentina, and we work at the Tandem Laboratory within the Centro Atómico Bariloche. We have a commercial NIC tandem with a 1.7 megavolt terminal voltage with a RC43 end station and a SNIC 2 and an alphatros ion sources. In this opportunity, we want to share with you a recurring issue in the facility. The alphatros ion source suffered some sort of rubidium reaction that formed cracks on the line walls. This problem leads to a mechanical obstruction in the beam channel and also contamination in the quartz bottle, where the plasma takes place. This issue shortens the source life, making mandatory to service it. Roughly speaking, we have to perform a full service once per year after around 100 hours for working, while the fabricant states that 1,500 hours of working is an average life cycle. In the last service, we changed something that we think that will improve reliability. For instance, we bake the line at 90 degrees Celsius during a day while pumping in order to get rid of the water absorbed in the stainless steel walls. We also changed the starting protocols in which the rubidium oven is started to heat when the main chamber surpasses 45 degrees Celsius, which is the rubidium meeting point. We are looking forward to learn some other experiences with similar source and possible solutions or improvements in our protocols.